Hello everyone, my name is Marcelo Gino. I will reading chapter 7 about accounting. 7.1 Introduction. Accounting in the business world can be said as the language of business because almost all business activities involve both individuals and large companies use accounting to calculate and to make decisions relating to the business being run. Accounting is a process that begins by recording, grouping, processing, and presenting data. Recording data, any transaction related to finance, so that information obtained is used by people who are competent with that information, and that information is used as material for making a decision. From description above, the notation of accounting is an activity in identifying, calculating, grouping, and assessing an event related to finance, to activities that can produce quantitative data and qualitative data, especially those of a financial nature and used in decision making. Way 1997. In general, accounting is an information system that can be accounted for the profit, financial related export to those who need it, and provided information about the condition of the company economically. 7.2 The definition of accounting to the expert Abu Bakar and Wibowo. Accounting is a process of recording, identifying, and communicating all the company's economic transactions. Grady. Accounting is a body of knowledge and has organizational function that range original, authentic analysis and interpret all event, transaction, and financial analysis that will occur in accounting activities to provide information needed by management about all reports and accountability for the trust it receives. Keisho and Weigan. Accounting is an information system that starts from classifying, recording, and communicating all economic events from an organization or company to those who have an internet that information. Board of Accounting Principle. Accounting is activities of service event to present quantitative information where the information is from material like marks about an economic body that is used in making economic decision, is causing economic policy alternative that must be taken. American Institute of Certificate Public Accountant. Accounting is art of recording, summarizing, and managing certain process in monetary transaction and financial event, and summarizing the result of the valuation. Colors Dictionary. Accounting is an art recording the process of financial transactions. West German. Accounting is written experience that is used to take decisions made in a company. American Accounting Association. Accounting is a process of identifying, recording, measuring, and financial reporting from an organization that is used as an information in economic decision making by those who need it. So far, Lumbanaturan. Accounting is a tool used as a business language where the information conveyed is only able to be understood if the accounting mechanism has been understood. Dr. Kate M. Kate. Accounting is a applied science and art recording which is carried out continuously according to the rules and its system. The processing and analysis of those records can be arranged in the form of financial statements as a means of accountability from the leadership of the company or institution for their work. The roles of the Minister of Finance. Accounting is a process of gathering, analyzing, clarifying, recording, reporting, and summarizing financial transactions from an economic unit to provide financial information for those who need that information and is used for decision making. Warren et al. Accounting is an information system that deposits or produces financial reports to related parties or interested parties regarding the economic activities of a company. Arnold. Accounting as a system used to provide information, especially financial information, to anyone who needed information, especially on the decision maker and controlling parties. Rudianto. Accounting is an information system that deposits or produces financial reports aimed at related parties and is interested in economic activities and the condition of certain business entities. 7.3 The function of accounting. The main function of accounting is a medium of information, especially financial information about an organization or because from this information an economic report can be obtained where we can find out the economic condition of an organization or business entity, and we can know the changes that occur in the organization. Accounting can provide quantitative data information in the form of money. Information about the financial condition of an organization or company is needed by decision makers in making economic policies for various within the organization or various outside the organization or business entity. Accounting can be a tool that explains about any condition that occur in the company, especially relating to the company finance. It can be concluded that there are two kinds of information that can be given related to the process. The first information about the company value, and the second is information that explain the company profit and loss. Both both of those information is useful for knowing how much profit or loss a company has in a given period, knowing the company's net profit after of deducting operational costs, knowing the amount of company capital and investment the company can make in connection with company profits, finding additional capital for business expansion, calculating the amount of debts must be paid by the company, providing information that stock market in investor to be able to register the company's shares in the stock market, making decisions for the company's needed in the future. In the accounting process, there are many important activities that are considered important. Let's learn about the main activities of the accounting process itself. 7.4 Main activities of accounting. Here are the main activities of accounting. 7.4.1 Identifying. This activities is carried out by identifying all transactions in the company. 7.4.2 Recording. That this activity is carried out by recording all the transactions that occur carefully, systematically, and sequentially. 7.4.3 Communicating. This activity is connected by the existence of an accounting statement. The information is in the form of the statement relating to finance that are used by all users of the company finance statement or internal or external various. Accounting itself has a very good scope knowledge. Accounting is used throughout the corporate transaction and in the everyday human life. Open this link and watch this video and record view. 7.5 Fields of accounting. The fields of accounting include financial accounting. This financial accounting includes recording all the transactions in the company without exception and making regular reports. With those reports can be profit, important and useful information for company owners and investors who are interested in the company's performance. Auditing accounting. The fields of auditing accounting is accounting, which includes the examination of finance statement through free, confidential accounting records, The accounting reports must be very variable through an independent auditor to produce the full and honest information. Management accounting. Management accounting is an accounting field uses historical data and estimate data to help management plan the company's operation in the future. Tax accounting. Tax accounting includes the calculation of all tax reports in providing solution or consideration is the company in calculating the amount of tax. Budgeting accounting. The field of budgeting accounting is carried out to plan all financial activities or company budget needs in a certain period and profit compression the company to calculate the budget projected with operational costs that really must be spent by company. Non-profit accounting. Accounting for non-profit organization is carried out to record all activities of non-profit organization such as social, religious organization. Cost accounting. This accounting has the duty to oversee the usage and determination of costs and to control this cost in industrial company. Accounting system. An accounting system is technique or method used by recording and processing accounting data that is useful for obtaining good internal control, where internal control is meant by system that has the duty to control the obtaining an organizational structure that divides tax and all human research who is proficient with healthy practice. Social accounting. Social accounting is the most recent field of accounting and its understanding is quite difficult to explain because social accounting involves public welfare funds. 7.6 Importance of accounting in management decision making. Data records, report analysis, accurate information about asset, debts, liabilities, profit are needed when you want to enter to a business, and that is why accounting is important for any business activities. Management needs accounting information. This accounting information is very essential for making a decision. Management cannot make a decision without reasonable information for backing it up. To make the decision, it has to be based on genuine facts and figures. For making the decision at very level of management, information is crucial. Accounting profit management with information regarding the financial position of the business, such as profits and loss, cost and earning, liabilities and asset aids. That is why the importance of accounting in business is very broad. Statistic data and information that accounting profits are very necessary for management to make the right decision. Recording financial transactions systematically in the books of account and finding out the profit loss and financial position of business are the main object of accounting. The main function of accounting are having the assessment of profit and financial position, intervention and analysis of account and statement, development of accounting system, collection of statistical and economic data, formulation of financial principle and financial planning, and controlling results as per plan. Acts in the modern accounting is directly connected with financial management. The management is to define on various account data and information for taking various decisions. It is the two entities asset and management. Joint company develop communication and international business. Scope of business have to be explained. Accounting keeps it the measures of asset happening. Accounting also can infer production, profit, control cost, helping the experience of the overall management. Management plays a very important role in the overall development of a business organization. Management has function namely planning, organization, overhauling business element, motivating, coordinating, controlling, and budgeting. Successful completion of this function of management depends on efficient accounting system. Accounting is a continuous system that shows the financial position of a business entity by identifying the economic event and recording, analyzing, and presenting them. Accounting gives information about the economic entity financial position. 7.7 Importance of accounting in parts of business are described below. 7.7.1 Importance of accounting in planning. Proper planning is necessary for the successful completion of various management. This planning, cash planning, sales planning, procurement planning, determining the quantity of stock, development planning, fixing up target profit, acts relaxing on accounting data and information. 7.7.2 Accounting important in organization. Accounting plays a very vital role in the proper execution of the important function of the management organization. Accounting helps management organization by giving information like percentage of profit over the capital investment, position, management, efficiency in the controlling. 7.7.3 Accounting important for motivation. Labor employees are the motivate for achieving expected performance. Financial reward is one of the main motivating factors of work. The management must know the financial position of the business for the providing financial benefits. Accounting helps management by giving necessary information for making proper decisions. 7.7.4 Accounting important for coordination. 7.7.5 Accounting important in control. The main function of modern management or planning and controlling. Controlling is very essential for the completion of activities according to the plan. Accounting can help management modes in control. 7.7.6 Accounting important media of communication. Accounting plays a vital role as medium in accounting various information from different departments, business and management. Plan of action to various departments. For instance, in the modern age, accounting is regarded as the best media of communication in supplying information to management regarding purchase and stock time of purchase, cost purchase and sales price. Besides, the function of accounting is to collect and provide information about the business to various interested parties. Seven point seven Accounting important in budgeting. The preparation of various budgeting is essential to run the business successfully. The historical information which is needed in the preparation of the budget is supplied by accounting. 7.7.8 Accounting important in professional advice. Inefficient and honest accountant helps the management with valuable professional advice for the development of its business in the modern age. With the complexion of business management has also become complex. In this aspect, the role of accounting is very important. The efficiency of management depends on the experience use of accounting data and information. In the developed countries, accountants are regarded as efficient and successful managers. In the modern age, in big organizations, accountants are included in the management committee. It can be said that accounting and management are interdependent. Accounting is an essential tool for management. Thank you for watching and goodbye.